You know what's funny about supercars? Most people think buying a Lamborghini, Ferrari, or Rolls-Royce instantly makes them stand out. But the truth is, owning one of those cars today doesn't make you unique. It just makes you another rich person following the herd. That's where Mansory comes in. This isn't just customization, it's a complete psychological shift. When Mansory touches a car, it stops being a machine and becomes a statement, a weapon, a symbol of superiority. These aren't cars to blend in with the elite. These are cars to dominate the elite. And in 2025, Mansory has taken their craft to levels most people can't even comprehend. By the end of this video, you won't just want a Mansory, you'll question why you ever admired stock supercars in the first place. Number 6. Mansory Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, 2025. Most people think Lamborghini already makes extreme cars. But here's the problem, every Lamborghini you see today looks the same. Flashy colors, sharp lines, loud exhaust. That's predictable. The moment Mansory got their hands on the Huracan Sterrato, they turned a wild machine into something that looks almost illegal to exist. The carbon fiber body isn't just cosmetic. It's designed to intimidate. Mansory doesn't sell you a car. They sell you dominance. The custom wide-body kit makes this Huracan look like a predator stalking the roads, and the performance tweaks push it far beyond what Lamborghini intended. What does this mean for you? It means if you pull up in a Mansory Huracan, even people who own a stock Lamborghini will feel like peasants in your shadow. This isn't just a car upgrade, it's a status upgrade. It screams, I don't just drive fast, I own the road. Number 5. Mansory Bentley Continental GT, 2025. The Bentley Continental was always the gentleman's car, smooth, elegant, luxurious. But Mansory knows something. Being polite won't make people remember you. So, they took Bentley's refined grace and injected raw aggression into it. Wide body stance, forged carbon fiber panels, jet-inspired intakes. This isn't a car. It's an insult to everyone who thought Bentley was meant for quiet cruising. Inside, Mansory doesn't just give you leather and stitching. They give you an environment where every inch feels custom-tailored to your superiority. Even the power is boosted, because what's the point of looking dominant if you can't destroy anyone who challenges you? This car whispers wealth, but roars power. And that duality makes it dangerous, because people won't just see you driving it, they'll submit to it. Number 4. Mansory Ferrari SF90 Stradale, 2025. Ferrari is obsessed with tradition, red paint, prancing horse badge, clean curves, but tradition is boring when you're at the top. Mansory ripped Ferrari's obsession with heritage apart and rebuilt the SF90 into something futuristic, almost alien. They give you a car that doesn't just look like speed, it feels like the embodiment of speed itself. The aggressive carbon fiber fins, the brutal aerodynamics, the wild paint finishes. This car doesn't care about Ferrari's rules. It's not about honoring the past, it's about rewriting the future. Stock Ferraris make you part of an exclusive club. A Mansory Ferrari makes you the leader of that club, the one nobody dares to question. And if you ever park this next to a standard SF90, the difference is so humiliating, you'll wonder why Ferrari even sells cars without Mansory's touch. Number 3. Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan, 2025. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is known as the gentle giant of luxury SUVs. But let's be honest, most people who buy one just want to look rich. Mansory hates that mindset. They took the Cullinan and transformed it into something terrifying. With its armored-like body kit, massive wheels, and stealth-like design, this is no longer a luxury SUV. It's a moving fortress. It makes the standard Cullinan look fragile, soft, forgettable. Mansory injected intimidation into luxury, and that's a dangerous combination. Inside, you don't just sit in comfort, you sit on a throne. People won't just notice this car. They'll feel small next to it. Because let's face it, anyone can buy luxury, but only a few can command fear with it. The Mansory Cullinan doesn't drive on roads, it owns them. Number 2. Mansory Bugatti Chiron, 2025. Bugatti already represents untouchable performance. But here's the ugly truth. When every billionaire buys the same Chiron, it stops being special. Mansory solves that by turning the Chiron into a hyper-exclusive monster that makes even Bugatti's special editions look cheap. Every panel, every vent, every detail is remade in forged carbon, and exotic finishes. It's like Mansory looked at Bugatti and said, "Not enough, we'll make it more extreme." And the result? A car so rare, so visually overpowering, that even other Bugatti owners will avoid parking next to you out of embarrassment. The Mansory Chiron doesn't say, "I'm rich." It says, "I'm in a class where even the richest can't compete with me." It is not just a car, it's an insult to the concept of limits. Number 1. Mansory Lamborghini Aventador Carbonado, Evo, 2025. This is the crown jewel. The Aventador was already an icon, but Mansory's Carbonado Evo takes that icon and mutates it into a weaponized symbol of excess. They call it the Carbonado for a reason. Its body is made almost entirely from forged carbon fiber, giving it a look no stock supercar can match. The sharp lines, aggressive intakes, and outrageous aerodynamics turn it into something that looks like it belongs in a science fiction war zone. Performance? Unleashed. Styling? Brutal. Status? Untouchable. Owning this isn't about transportation, it's about declaring war on mediocrity. When you pull up in the Carbonado Evo, you don't just turn heads, you erase every other car in the room. This isn't about driving anymore. It's about owning the narrative of power. And Mansory knows exactly how to make you addicted to that feeling. And here's the thing. After seeing these 6 Mansory creations, you're probably realizing something uncomfortable. A normal Lamborghini, Ferrari, or Bugatti suddenly feels plain. Stock supercars look like toys compared to what Mansory builds. And that's exactly why people either love Mansory or hate them. Some say Mansory ruins the purity of these cars. Others say they're the only ones brave enough to make them truly unforgettable. But the truth is, if you had the chance to drive one, you wouldn't care about purity. You'd care about the way the world stares at you, the way every other supercar owner instantly feels second class. So now the question is, which side are you on? Do you think Mansory takes these machines too far? Or do you think they're the only ones brave enough to push cars past their limits? Drop your answer in the comments, because I guarantee the arguments down there will be just as crazy as the cars themselves. And hey, don't just sit there scrolling if you made it this far. You clearly crave the kind of power and exclusivity Mansory represents. Subscribe right now, because next time, we're going even deeper into the world of cars most people will never get close to.